I'm Danielle Losos. I'm from Chapel Hill, North Carolina, and I'm an environmental studies major with a concentration in climate and energy. I grew up always outside, and I live in a house in the woods, and my mom, she got a PhD in tropical ecology. So I was surrounded by that passion growing up. My area of concentration is climate and energy, and I picked this concentration because climate is the most pressing issue of our time, and every other aspect of environmental studies relates back to this big question of how will humans respond to the climate crisis, and it involves transforming our energy system completely. So those two aspects of the concentration really tie in together nicely. My fellowship experience in the environmental studies department has been incredible. Right now, I'm working on my senior thesis research, which is about using geostationary satellite data to map wildfire burn severity in near real time. And as part of that research, I received a fellowship from the Environmental Studies Department to go out to California this last summer and take a look at the burned areas from the mega fires that occurred in the summer 2020. And I studied the soil burn severity to measure how badly the soil had burned from these catastrophic wildfires. And ultimately, I'm trying to determine whether those signatures can be picked up by satellite data. There's been some incredible faculty here at Yale who've really shaped my growth as a student in the Environmental Studies department. Since my first year seminar, it was called the New England Forest, and it was led by a Yale Forestry School naturalist, Marlise Duguid. And she led us around different parks in Connecticut and just shared her expertise in tree identification and ecological systems, and she ended up being an incredible mentor for me. She was very accessible to reach for advice as I continued my growth through the major and through my academic career, offering insights on summer jobs and other faculty I could work with. And I've seen that sort of thoughtfulness and attention from every EVST faculty, and also the students influential in my growth here. It's a really cross-cutting community where everyone is collaborating. It's a wonderful group.